Currently, our advertising platforms have been suspended without any reason. This is a difficult time for us. We will continue to work hard and dedicate ourselves to you, but we also greatly need your support. The funds that you donate through Give Send Go are the main source of money for us to continue covering expenses. If you find value in what we are doing, please continue to support and accompany us by selecting the monthly donate package for us via Give Send Go at the link below. RestoredRepublic.co relies solely upon donations from people like you to keep our site functional and free to use. Make America great again. God bless America, God bless us all.
Restored Republic via GCR, update as of June 26, 2024. The latest video will be shown earlier at the official website restoredrepublic.co. Duty note, on Tuesday, June 25, 2024, Julian Assange was set free, and so was his intel released on a pedophile child sex trafficking ring run by Obama, Biden and Clinton out of the White House. Also on Tuesday, a British MP released intel of a cabal dirty bomb false flag that was to be blamed on Russia, while around the same time Netanyahu was arrested by the Israeli police force and charged as a war criminal for instigating a false flag attack on Israeli soil. Though the most shocking event that happened on Tuesday was release of the global currency reset of all nations of the world to gold/asset-backed currencies valued at a 1-to-1 with each other, which will automatically and effectively shut down the cabal's international drug, gun running, child sex trafficking, organ and adrenochrome harvesting ring because dirty monies can function on the new Starlink satellite global financial system. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, Q. What comes next will shock the world. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, SG Anon and Charlie Ward, big Trump news and Q intel drop, you won't want to miss this. What's going on with the children in underground tunnels beneath Israel and Gaza is unbelievable. Gaza is one of the largest organ harvesting centers in the world. Israel manufactures bioweapons. Netanyahu has been placed into submission by the Israeli police force as a war criminal for instigating a false flag attack on Israeli soil. Once the US federal dollar goes down, it will be the end of drug and human trafficking because the bad guys can't convert their money into the new system. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, Julian Assange is free. He left Belmarsh Maximum Security Prison on the morning of June 24, 2024 after having spent 1901 days there. Is the world ready for Pizzagate? Bombshell, Julian Assange is free. Now that Julian Assange will be freed after striking a plea deal, Bill Clinton and Hillary Clinton have a lot to worry about. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, British MP warns of cabal dirty bomb false flag to blame on Russia, while Russia blames terrorist attacks on US. Situation update, British MP warns of cabal dirty bomb false flag to blame Russia. Russia blames latest terrorist attacks on US. Names US a party to Ukraine conflict. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, bombshell report. Judy Byington, under Biden's order and without knowledge or approval of the U.S. Congress, the U.S. Air Force directed ATACMS missile strikes on innocent Russian civilians. Monday, June 24, 2024, the Federal Reserve has been hacked and over 33 terabytes of data is now missing. Wars and rumors of wars. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, World War III alert. What's going on? Russia downs U.S. drone. NATO attacks Russia. Nuclear radars attacked again. Canadian prepper. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, Russian officials confirm that Ukraine attacked the Crimean Peninsula with 5 U.S.-supplied missiles, killing at least 3 people including 2 children and injuring 100 more. The Biden administration has been supplying Ukraine with this very type of missile since earlier this year. The Pentagon already said Ukraine's military can use American-supplied weapons to hit Russian forces anywhere. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, multiple casualties reported after a Ukrainian drone attacks a city in Russia. Tuesday, June 25, 2024, there is a massive fire at one of Russia's main defense electronics producers and research centers, Neplatin, near Moscow. Monday, June 24, 2024, it's begun vertical bar now. This happening June 24, 2024, World Alert, Monday, June 24, 2024, breaking news red war alert. Buckle up. Important speech expected. This is very bad, Grand Supreme News. B Global Currency Reset Tuesday, June 25, 2024 Wolverine, what I have been told by my Brazil contact, payments have started, some are getting paid, and they are all under NDA. There is a platform paying by crypto and they are about to kick off. I think it is Oxygen, extra dollars so they can de-stress. That is what I am hearing. That is definitely 100% happening for them to be paid on that platform. About 30 minutes ago I heard that Donald Trump will be reinstated as the legitimate president of the USA on Monday 1st of July. Judge Clarence Thomas will read both sentences where it was established that from the vote count, Trump won the vote by 80% in 46 out of 50 states. We are close to a change of an era. Praying please God let that be true. Another source says it is going to be this week. They are adamant, but some say right after Thursday 4th of July. Many of you cannot wait any longer as you are hanging on by a thread. Let us all pray to God that we will have the green light to move forward with our lives. I am praying that by tomorrow we will get news from Reno and I will get that miracle call I am waiting for. Take care, Wolverine, twos. June 25, 2024 TNT, every single source says it's done and we await the go signal. So we wait. Sunday is celebration day. Twos. June 25, 2024 marks. I am getting inundated with bank contacts telling me to expect that things have already started, but coming to fruition in banks after the 4th of July. With the rollout in the days immediately following. I believe the 4th is on a Thursday this year. So I was told to roll out around the 6th and 7th. That is the rumor. Remember, we don't know the timing. I am sure getting a heck of a lot from the banking side that things are now moving quickly and that is what they are preparing them for. See Restored Republic, twos. June 25, 2024, Tribunals of the U.S. Military, covers all of the tribunals held at Gitmo from 2018. D. The Real News for twos. June 25, 2024, twos. June 25, 2024, Wisconsin has decertified the 2020 election. Twos. June 25, 2024, in 24 hours it's done. And strange events. June 2024, World Alert, conspiracy theories. Twos. June 25, 2024, the American public is now learning that Merrick Garland and Joe Biden intended to assassinate Donald Trump under the guise of an FBI search warrant. The FBI agents who raided President Trump's home in 2022 were instructed to prepare to use deadly force while executing the search warrant. The FBI agents were prepared to engage with Trump and his Secret Service team and even had paramedics on standby. What role did Obama play in this matter? The man who spied on Trump most likely planned this entire affair. The headlines will blame Joe Biden, but Barack Obama's fingerprints are all over it. Twos. June 25, 2024 There have been 300 assassination innuendos and 19 assassination attempts on Trump since 2016. Sources claim that white hats responded to over 300 assassination innuendos since 2016 and thwarted 19 would-be hits against President Trump or his family, including one particularly nefarious scheme to murder his youngest son, Barron. Other alternative news outlets have placed that figure closer to 60, though RRN could not independently determine the veracity of those claims. Sudden lack of deep state chatter about killing Trump worries white hats. On twos. June 25, 2024 Julian Assange regained his freedom after plans to plead guilty as part of a plea deal with the U.S. Justice Department that will allow him to go free after spending 5 years in a British prison. According to court documents, U.S. charges against Assange stem from one of the largest publications of classified information in American history, which took place during the first term of Barack Obama's presidency. Because of Julian Assange we were informed about 1. Child trafficking, 2. Illegal government spying, 3. War crimes of the U.S. government. A message from Hillary Clinton's email address to a number of military officers requested different ways to stop Julian Assange. Hillary Clinton suggested for an assassination. Can't we just drone this guy? Monday, June 24, 2024 Congressional hearing. Boeing whistleblower claims Boeing refused to discard faulty parts which could have been used in newly built aircraft, resulting in a catastrophic event. Monday, June 24, 2024, the Rapidan Dam in Minnesota is at imminent risk of failure due to the pressure from days of torrential rain and collected debris. Twos. June 25, 2024 Major dam failure, mass evacuations, multiple states. International child sex trafficking. Organ and adrenochrome harvesting ring run out of the Vatican and housed in China's Three Gorges Dam in a 1,500-mile tunnel that also runs between the Vatican and Jerusalem. Obama, Clinton, Biden ran pedophile ring out of White House, WikiLeaks bombshell, Obama ran pedophile ring out of the White House, the leaked email. Saturday 3rd of December. 2022, Biden, Pelosi, Obama charged with treason, collusion with CCP on 2020 voter fraud. Pedophile ring run out of the White House, Monday, October 10, 2022, King Charles, Queen Elizabeth linked to satanic deaths of children and murder of witness. COVID/vax/Ebola/swine flu/polio/smallpox/BSE, Zika/SARS/monkeypox/AIDS/vax/H1N1/graphene oxide/chemtrails/fluoride, processed foods, human clones hoaxes. Monday, June 24, 2024 White House censorship of vax critics. Twos. June 25, 2024 Dr. Peter McCulloch, when I was a child, there were just a few shots. Now we're well over 100 total doses, over 70 vaccines, through childhood and growing. And the data suggests it's simply too much. 5 studies now show, if children go natural with no vaccines whatsoever, they're healthier than their cohorts, comparative cohorts, who are fully vaccinated. G-Satan worshipping Illuminati Zionist deep state cabal globalist depopulation agenda 2030. If you control the food, you control the people. That's ultimately the end goal. All around the world, unelected globalist bodies like the WEF and UN are waging war against farmers. In an attempt to seize control of the global food supply, under the banner of UN Agenda 2030, as detailed in a must-watch new documentary titled No Farmers, No Food, Will You Eat the Bugs? Bill Gates praises India's digital public infrastructure, combining biometric digital ID, known as Aadhaar, bank accounts and payments, as foundational for keeping tabs on farmers, monitoring people's health records and helping with climate problems. The latest video will be shown earlier at the official website restoredrepublic.co.
Currently, our advertising platforms have been suspended without any reason. This is a difficult time for us. We will continue to work hard and dedicate ourselves to you, but we also greatly need your support. The funds that you donate through Give Send Go are the main source of money for us to continue covering expenses. If you find value in what we are doing, please continue to support and accompany us by selecting the monthly donate package for us via Give Send Go at the link below. RestoredRepublic.co relies solely upon donations from people like you to keep our site functional and free to use. Make America great again. God bless America, God bless us all.